In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome and unlock AI power right in your browser with a focus on summarizing reviews on Amazon as a creative hack. Let's dive into this exciting journey. First, we open up our Google Chrome browser. It's always nice to start our activities with a clean, open tab, so take a moment to do that. Next, you're going to navigate to Google, which is, as you know, our trusty search engine. Once you're there, simply type Google Gemini Chrome extension into the search box and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to the Gemini extension. Now, you want to look for a link to the Chrome Web Store in these search results. This might be a little further down the list, so don't hesitate to scroll to find it. Clicking on that link will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store page for the Gemini extension. On this page, you'll see a neatly organized interface with an Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click on it to start the install process. Rest assured, it's a straightforward installation. Chrome might ask you for confirmation before proceeding, just to make sure you actually want to add the extension. Now, with Gemini installed, let's put it to the test. Imagine you're planning to buy a new frying pan on Amazon. Head over to Amazon's website and browse their collection. When you see a frying pan that you like, click on its product page. This will bring you to a detailed page with all the product specifics and, most importantly, customer reviews. Here comes the neat trick. Once you've decided on a product, copy the link of that product page. Then, look towards the lower right side of your Chrome browser and you should notice the Gemini extension icon. Click on this icon to activate the extension interface. In the extensions dialog box, you'll see a prompt waiting there. Your task is to tell Gemini exactly what you want. For this example, you could type something like, "Summarize the reviews of this product," and then paste the Amazon link you just copied. Once you've got that ready, simply click on Submit. Now, remember, processing this information might take a bit of time, so sit tight and let Gemini work its magic. Soon, you'll have a neat, concise summary of the product reviews, giving you valuable insights without having to sift through dozens of customer opinions. Thanks to Gemini, unlocking AI power in your browser isn't just about making life easier. It's about making those little daily tasks not just quicker, but smarter. Enjoy exploring this nifty tool and see you in the next video where we tackle more creative hacks.